Hello, my Bitcoin lifestyle friend. Caleb Wright here from Bitcoin Lifestyles Club, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a stop loss using the stop limit order form on the Binance Cryptocurrency Exchange. For those of you who don't know what a stop loss is yet, it is basically an automated way you can set up your Binance account to sell your cryptocurrency at a predetermined price that it could drop to that would only amount to a percentage loss that you are willing to take on the long trade entry. Once it hits this price, it will set up your coins for sale at the Satoshi price that you set in advance, and your coins should sell, which will allow you to maintain your value and look at re-entering lower once you have determined that markets are adequately oversold and prime for entry. We are currently on the exchange page for Ethereum Classic here on the Binance Cryptocurrency Exchange. By default, the limit order forms for buying and selling will be displayed. However, if we just click the Stop Limit tab right above the order forms, it will provide us with the stop limit order forms for buying and selling. So once you've made an entry into an altcoin, for example, Ethereum Classic, you can set up a stop loss using the sell ETC side of the stop limit order form. You can set your stop loss for whatever percentage you are comfortable with losing if the trade does not move in the direction that you need it to and you want to cut your losses to a minimum. You can use technical analysis to determine where you would like to place your stop loss. Many traders use stop losses ranging from 15 to 20% lower than the entry price. To set a stop loss, we have to choose a Satoshi price that once it hits, it will set up our sell order at whatever specific price that we choose. Looking over here on the left in the order book, I'm going to click the button at the top with the green line to expand the buy side of the order book. Then we are just going to pretend like I did some technical analysis to decide I would like to sell my coins if it drops to 0.001621 Satoshis. So we can just left click that Satoshi price and it will populate the price in the stop limit order form fields. By default, it will set it up so that once it reaches that price, it will set up a sell order at the same price. However, you can adjust that if you want by changing the price in the limit field. You can make the price higher or lower than the stop price if you want. You can simply just left click in and edit the price. Now once the coin reaches the price you specify in the stop field, it will automatically place a sell order for the price you set in the limit field. And of course, the only other thing you have to do is set how many coins you would want to sell when this happens by typing the number in the amount field. In this example, I will just put 10 Ethereum Classic up for sale at this price of 0.001621 Satoshis. Once you have everything set, you can go ahead and click the Sell ETC button in order to set your stop loss via this stop limit sell order. You will get this message explaining how the order will function, and you can either click confirm if you like what you see or cancel. It says if the last price drops to or below 0.001621 BTC, in order to sell 10 Ethereum Classic at the price of 0.001621 BTC will be placed. That's exactly what I had entered down here. That's what I want, so I'll click place order. Once your order is set, you can scroll down to find the details of it in the open orders area. And as you can see here, there's a stop limit sell order that we just placed for Ethereum Classic. We can just click cancel if we don't want to go through with it. I will go ahead and do that since this is just for demonstrative purposes. You can also use the stop limit sell orders in the opposite direction and have it set up a sell order once it rises to a certain price. You would just set your stop price for a target price that you would like it to reach, And once it reaches that price, you can then set the limit price that you want your sell order to be placed. Set the amount of Ethereum Classic you would like to sell, and of course click the Sell ETC button to place your order. Alternatively, you can also use stop limit orders for buying. You can either set it up to buy once it drops to a certain price, or you can anticipate a breakout past a key resistance area by setting a buy order right beyond it so that you can buy the breakout if it actually happens. It works in the same way. Just set the Satoshi price you would like the stop limit order to trigger at by either typing it in the stop field here on the buy ETC side of the order form. You can type it in, or you can click the Satoshi price you want in the order book and it will automatically fill it out for you. For the sake of this example, I'll just go ahead and arbitrarily scroll down and click this next Satoshi price right here, 0.001603. And as you can see, that populates my stop field and my limit field in the buy ETC order form here for my stop limit buy order. And if you want, you can adjust your limit price, which is the price that the order will be placed into the books once it reaches this price. So basically, once that the price of the coin reaches 0.001603, it's going to automatically place a buy order for however much Bitcoin's worth of Ethereum Classic that you want at the price of 0.001603. If you are trying to buy a dip, just select a price from the buy side of the order book. If you're trying to buy a breakout, select the price you have determined from your technical analysis from the sell side of the order book. It's as simple as that. Now, as an example, I will just select a dip buying price. Let me just open up this buy side of the order book. I will select a dip buying price of 0.001603 Satoshis here in the order book. I just left clicked it, and that filled the fields in the buy ETC order form for me. I will just leave it so that once it reaches that Satoshi price in the stop field, that it will set my buy order at the same price that's set here in the limit field. And I will just click the 100% button here to use all of my 0.1 Bitcoin that is available at the moment on this order, and then we will click the green Buy ETC button to place the order. If the last price drops to or below the 0.001603 BTC price, in order to buy 63.60 ETC at a price of 0.001603 BTC will be placed, and we'll click place order. Now the order has been placed, as you can see in the open orders area down here, and I'm just going to go ahead and use this cancel button to close the order. So I hope you enjoyed this video training showing you how to set up your stop loss sell orders and stop limit buy orders on your Binance Cryptocurrency Exchange account. Setting up your stop loss is the easy part of it all. The challenging part for most people is doing good technical analysis to figure out the best prices to enter, sell, and set up your stop loss to keep you in profit. Whether you are completely new to cryptocurrency and trading, or you have some experience with trading, it would be seriously important for you to take the time to educate yourself about technical analysis of the crypto markets and various winning trading strategies so that you can give yourself a fair shake at having success with this. Knowledge is truly power when it comes to having success with the markets. Not only will it be important to understand the markets on a technical level, but also a fundamental level, so you understand what the best assets are to trade in the first place. So if you want to get started on the right foot with creating wealth with cryptocurrency and not waste any time maximizing your results, you should take a serious look at my cryptocurrency trading, investing, and mining mastery course and my 24/7 running mastermind chat group on Slack. You can get more info about all of this at my website, www.bitcoinlifestyles.club. And if you would like more information, you can find a link in the video description below. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions. If you found this video training to be helpful, I would really appreciate your support. all you have to do is click the like button and leave a comment below with your feedback or any questions you have. You can also share this video or even just the whole Binance training playlist that I have here on YouTube with your friends on social media who might also be interested in learning how to use the Binance Cryptocurrency Exchange. If you are still really new to cryptocurrency, be sure to check out my free crypto mini course and gain a foundational understanding of Bitcoin, blockchain, and cryptocurrency and how it's changing the world and how you can benefit and profit from it. Just submit your best email to the form at www.freecryptominicourse.com to get it for free right away with no strings attached. Now I'll put a link to this in the video description below to make it easy for you. Caleb right here from Bitcoin Lifestyles Club, and I'll catch you on the next training video. I wish you nothing but success with the crypto markets until then.